Welcome to ABC World TV.
Summer is here, little captain! The ocean looks fun and exciting, but before we splash and sail, we must learn how to stay safe in the water. First rule, always wear your life jacket on a boat or near deep water. It helps you float and keeps you safe, even if you get tired. When you're in a boat, sit down and hold on tight. Boats can wobble, so strong hands and steady bodies keep you safe. Never swim alone. Always ask a grown-up before going into the water. Safe captains always stay where adults can see them. Look at the waves before stepping in. Big waves can be strong. If the water looks rough, wait and stay on the shore. Check the beach flags. Green means safe, yellow means careful, and red means stop. Smart captains always look before they swim. The sun is strong in summer. Wear sunscreen, a hat, and drink lots of water to stay cool and healthy.
Okay, Moana!
Walk near the water, don't run. Wet sand and rocks can be slippery, and safe captains move carefully.
Stay close to your friends and help each other. Being a good captain means looking out for everyone.
Say it with me. I am a smart little captain. I listen, I look, stay safe in the water all summer long.
Summer sun is shining bright, ocean sparkles in the light. Zip my jacket, hold on tight, little captain ready for the ride. Ask before I jump and play, grown-ups watch me every day. Look at waves and flags so high, smart and safe, that's how I try. Hat on head and sunscreen too, drink some water, woo-hoo-hoo. Hold her open, stand up tall, safe and brave through it all. Thanks for watching ABC World TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time, friends.